Hello yours. In this video I'm going to show you how you can generate advanced signals with our H280 socket. So okay, let's start. So before jump into this, want to say something. So this application is free download. You can download it free. So check in our description box. You will get our Google Drive link. You can download from here there and join our Telegram channel. Your binary trading will get this free guidelines. So okay, let's start it. So sometimes you will see something is not running. So why it is not running? So the first problem is your Windows is not 10. So you need a Windows 10 for operating this, and you need 64-bit processor. So it is just need $1 or $2 to get a new Windows. So that is simple. I hope you know about it. So the first, another important thing is unverified license. So you must have to contact us for license. Okay. So this is another thing, another problem you will may face. So this is what happening. So you need to send us your mail. Okay, same email which you create an account in your IT option. So that mail you sent us for license. Please send us that mail so that we can license. Must sure same mail is for license, same mail is connected with IQ option. And the third most important thing why you cannot run it on your PC, on your desktop, is your antivirus is on. So uninstall that antivirus and restart your laptop, your PC, and permission it in Windows Defender. Windows Defender is enough to protect your PC. So give it permission of the socket. So after download it and uninstall and do all the things, just click on it and it will be open. Make sure your internet is connected. So after downloading it, first time you will get this type of sign which is question mark. So type here anything in and type @gmail.com. Type here anything, type here 100, press enter for going next, type here 100 for going next. So why you need this? It is just human verification that you are human and it is configured with your device. So press enter. So now close this tab and close this application and open again. So here you will get a new file which is configured, which is indicating it is configured with your device. So your mail which is connected with IQ option and license from us. So this is our contact number. So this is some kind of gap. You can fill it with maximize and minimize. So your mail, press enter for going next. Your password should be your IQ option password. If you have any doubt, you can create another temporary account in IQ option and send to us. Okay. If you have any kind of doubt or something kind of fear, you can do this. Press enter. Let me give my password. Press enter for going next. So do you want to analyze all open pairs? So if your mail is not connected with IQ option, whatever you type, you will get no pairs of signals. And if you do not give it permission in Windows Defender or turn off antivirus, it will not run. So whatever, I'm not choosing all the pairs, I'm just choosing my selected pairs to show you. I type N. So USD, Google, and gold. XUSD is meaning gold, Bitcoin, BTC USD, So here I choose four different things of market. First of all, EURUSD. This is a currency pair. Google is stocks. XZT USD means gold. It is signing as commodities. BTC USD is indicating as Bitcoin. You can type here or more thing. It will take time. So I'm not going to that. I'm just going to this. Press enter for going next. So this is another main thing. You ask lot of questions about the point. How many days do you want to review? So basically I choose 3 to 6 days. Do not go up to that days because more days and more mgs doesn't mean you the confirm signal. The confirm signal is in high in probability, right? Okay, anyone can make signals, but the main thing is probability, right? So we maintain probability with our color coding option in list. I'll show you in the next. So I choose 3, which time frame I want to analyze per 5 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, and 60 minutes. Higher time frame, if you choose, just type 60 if you want to make forex signals with it, right? For XZUSD, you can do this. So I want to analyze 5-minute signals. Okay, this is another question. How many martingales? Like I previously said, more martingales or less zero martingale doesn't mean indicating the confirm signal. The confirm signal is in high in probability. The confirm trade is also high in probability. So I always choose 1 or 2 steps for or 0 steps. I do not usually use 0 step. I use 1 step. Or you can set like say 0 step. Let me show you. So this is news filter. I want to news 30 minutes before and after. You can make here OTC signals too. IQ option, all in trade, and Binomo. With the same signals, with the same mail, you can log in. You can create signals for that broker also for OTC. And you know, real market is all market is same, so you do not have to worry about that. So okay, press enter for close. So here you have seen here is a 5M mean indicating 5-minute signals. So another most important thing I want to tell you, and this is Bangladesh time signal. So before jump into socket, must use that your payout is 80% above in IQ option. Okay, payout. This is the payout. So now 5 minutes is giving 75%, right? In USD, we just make here make previously USD. So do not follow the signals when the market is 80% below. So follow the signals when the market is giving 80% above. Okay, so this is the signal. This is Bangladesh time. So how you can change your time zone? So click on these settings from IQ option and click the time zone and select UTC plus 6 Dhaka, and for all in trade user go to Google UTC time converter and this site the time zone converter. So, so this is your local time. Just type here Dhaka, Bangladesh, you'll get the time. So this is how you can follow the signal. So this is our signals. For downloading the signals, click on the save for signals. You can see it has been saved. So you can see here in and here is no number because we choose the U-step martingale, which I usually do not choose. So let's make again signals. Let's say you wanna make uh, OTC signals. So follow the color coding. Actually, the color coding here I do not get any uh, a number in end. So let me show you again. You can copy and paste this also. Let's say Y. Okay, let's analyze it Y. So it has been found 10 pairs. How many days do you want to review? I want to review 3 days, or let's say 4 days, 5 minutes time frame, and one step of martingale, 30 minutes before and after of the news. So the main part is not here. The main thing is if we choose medium days and one step or two step martingale. One step is very good. One step martingale in here, you will get the color coding option. So let's delete these signals. Okay, it will take some time. So I hope you know about the how to change your time zone. So to follow the signals, you must need to follow the color coding. The color coding is very important to trade with the signals. To trade with the signals, because color coding is only the thing which shows you probability, and with this same socket you can analyze uh, what is called stocks, commodities, like gold, cryptocurrency or currency, and also OTC signals. OTC is for IQ option, All-in-Trade and Binomo. Okay, I'll again open it in another tab. You can see I can able to make it multiple tabs. Okay, it has been running. So so in background is that run, no problem. So let's say no. So I want to make OTC signals. So type EURUSD OTC, GBP USD OTC, comma, and in and no need comma. Just press enter. How many days? So for OTC, I always try to tell about 3 to 6 days. Okay, so let's say about 4 days. And one more thing, you can add here Bitcoin signals if you are all in trade, or anything, or you can trade on these signals, OTC signals, same OTC signals in Binomo, IQ option, and all in trade. So I wanna analyze 5 minute signals. How many martingales? It should be one. OTC has no news, so click on this. So let it run, and another one is complete. Click on enter. Okay, it has been exit. It has created a new signal list. This is our signals of 5 minutes. Okay, and what about this? Let it finish. So what is the color coding option? The color coding is in and most color are wind signals. Okay, that is correct. But be sure you must need two things. Okay, first of all your color. Second thing is your sorry. Second thing is your number, in and number. So it should be same color, and for more extra confirm signals you can choose up this also. So the previous one is 4 red, 3 red, that means, and in the present it is showing us 100, the more color, same color. So the previous color is also dependable on this signal. So this signal is very confirmed rate, and this signal I'll show you live uh, of these signals. So the time frame is 5 minutes because I follow the color probability option, color coding option. This is the color coding. Uh, Wait a minute. Yeah, this is it. 150. So this is our 150 candle of Euro USD. Euro USD. This signals. Okay, 5 minutes. Alhamdulillah, this is win. But that is also showing us our a put option. That's a 75% chance. Why it didn't win? Why? This was the previous candle. It didn't win directly because it didn't work properly because of the previous number. This signal is need one step of martingale because of previous four color is green and only three colors are red. So if here minimum two or here almost three is red, and this is also showing a 75% you can go directly for put option like this trade. Uh, let's say about this trade. Uh, yeah, this is it. So this is the next candle. This is this one, and USD is put. Alhamdulillah, USD is put down option winning trade. Why this is win directly? This is also 75% chance, but why this is win directly? Because the previous number is most as red. Okay, so the main point is this: same color. The color should be same, and the previous color maximum color should be the this signal color, this signal direction. Okay, so if this is called this is showing us put option, but the previous maximum color is showing us uh, red, showing us green, most green. Do not take that signal because that is risky. Let me show you another example. Let's say Euro GBP. Euro GBP. This is not good. This is not good. Okay, this one is very good. This one is very good. 7 Euro GBP call. Euro GBP call at 7. So this is our 7 candle. So this is our 7 candle, right? 75% chance it has. So this is our 7 candles. Okay, so Euro GBP 5 minutes, alhamdulillah, this is call option trade. Okay, call option trade win. Why this is win? Because it is matter on previous color coding. Previous color coding is showing us most green. The signal is this, but the previous color is also affected. Previous maximum color is also affected on these signals. So what is the previous maximum color? Here are 4 red, 4 green, and 3 red, 1 green. So what is the maximum value? 8. 4 here, 4 here. So 4 and 4, 8. What is the maximum color? Green. Look, green, 4 green, and 1 green also here. So totally 5 green and only 3 red. In 8 number, in total 8 number, that is only 5 green, 3 red. So this has affected on these signals, even if this is the 75% signal. So if you follow this way, you will get 90% winning ratio, inshallah. Okay, if you follow this way, if you follow just our guidelines. So here we added probability option. Let's give me another example so you can check out this. Look at this 50%, this is showing. This will be must be confirmed trade, this and this one. Let me show you from live. What is the pair? GBP, JPY. But you know, in and number is also affected. Okay, the previous maximum color is green, but in and present number is 50. It has 50% chance. It will win in one martingale step. I will say, trust me. So what is the time? 2:25. 2:25. So why I didn't take the 2:30 candle? Because the previous maximum color is red. Look at this. Here four words. Here are 4 words, but five are red and 3 are from buyer. 3 are from buyers, or you can say 3 are from green. So green is indicating buyers, red is indicating sellers. So the previous signals, it has 5 sellers and only 3 buyers. So this is why we do not take this candle, do not take this trade. So sorry. So we'll take this trade. We wanna take this trade. This trade. Okay. So what you have to do? What is the maximum color of the previous candle? The maximum color of the previous candle is 4 green and 3 green. So totally how many greens? 3 buyers you have got. Only 1 sellers you have got. But so we'll take this signal. But this signal has only 50% chance. So it has to win in one step martingale, because it can directly win, it can win one step off. So that is why the number is 50%. I hope you like this calculation. This is a simple calculation. You just have to be smart. Money not come to that fool or come to that niggas who is not thinkable. You have to be smart. So this is why I have added buyers and sellers, red and green colors coding probability. So you can follow these signals also. This one will also win one step, or it can win directly, because the maximum previous color is green. Out of 8, okay, 8 color, it has 6 directly buyers, means green. Okay, so it has 50% probability. So it can. So what is the time? 10. Yeah. Call option GBP JPY. Just look at this. This. and this is the time. So it win directly because we follow the previous maximum color and also this maximum color, present maximum color, and in and value is 50% here. So it win directly. As I say, 50% is we tell you directly win, or it can win on marking a one step. So like the previous one. I hope you got this point. This is very simple. So soon we will launch our converter. You can convert these signals to your time zone from this list, inshallah. And so we will launch our mobile socket, inshallah, and also our auto trading bot, inshallah. We'll start it so soon. I hope it is recording. Oh, okay, it is recording. So whatever I'm thinking, so that is it. This is so simple. Oh, one more thing. We have made OTC signals. So this is our OTC signals. You can see here the number is showing OTC. Oh, okay. So here you can see the OTC. So so I hope you got that lesson. So what is it meaning? Okay, so at 255, just comment in the comment box that how it will win. It will win directly or not. Okay, because you follow the previous maximum color. So what I understand you. I just teach you right now. I hope you have human mind, human brain. You can think it. Okay, okay. So that's it. This same signal is for OTC, IQ option, Binomo, and Olymtrade. Okay. We calculate and make the IQ and Olim and this Binomo OTC data, and we divided it, and you can get the same signal for all. Same signal for IQ, Olim, Binomo. Thank you, bro. Take care. Bye bye. And subscribe our channel. Join our your binary trading. Please share so that we can get support. Okay, thank you, bro. If you got any question, just please ask me. My contact is in description box. X Traders Need 65. You can see. Click on it, man, and subscribe. Press the subscribe button. Okay, and contact us for license. Thank you.